Hey everyone, my name is Anna. I've been with LivBay for a little bit over a year now. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty, so if you haven't already, click the subscribe button down below. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite tips and tricks for mega volume lashes. So first things first is to know what mega volume is. So mega volume is a 0.03 diameter lash. It's the lightest lash in the industry, and it is the darkest set that you can achieve on your client. The reason we use 0.03 lashes for mega set is because there's going to be more lashes per fan per set. So with a mega volume fan, there's going to be about, I would say 5 up to 20 extensions per one fan. When it comes to mega volume fans, you guys want to keep in mind that your fans are going to be much bigger than a volume fan. You want to make sure that you're really grabbing a big chunk off of your strip, but still making sure that your bases are very snatched. So my first tip for you guys is to use a different tweezer for mega volume, something that has a really strong grip. Because the 0.03s are so fine, it's very easy for them to fray. So you want to make sure that the grip on your tweezer is very strong, so that way when you grab your chunk, nothing is falling apart. Obviously, every tweezer is going to be different with its sweet spot. Usually most tweezers are right around the middle. I would try to avoid using a boot tweezer or anything like that. I know some people can do it, but if you're first starting out with mega volume, I would recommend using something with a thinner base or even a longer tip, so that way you have more room to create those wider fans. So my next tip for you guys would be to play around with the width or the size of your fans. You can either do narrow fans or wide fans. With narrow fans, they create darker, denser looks, and then wide fans, they'll create fluffier, textured looks. Depending on what you consult with your client is what direction you're going with the size of your fans. So my last tip for you guys would be to really just go for it when it comes to picking up off of your strip. Do not be afraid. Even if you think you're grabbing enough, grab more. Grab more and just try to shoot for that fan and that snatch base. Usually what I see with my students is that they're grabbing, but they're grabbing what they would for a mix set or for a volume set. So really try to grab for more lashes off of your strip, so that way you're really achieving those big mega fans that we see on the gram. So another tip that I would give you guys is to really talk with your clients about your timing. Obviously, if you're first starting off with megas, it's going to take you much longer than it would for your other set. So if it takes you 4 hours, it takes you 4 hours. Just let your client know that. And something to help you guys out with timing is just to really practice. Any chance you guys get on your downtime when you're watching a movie, practice, practice, practice. Work on those fans, work on getting those bases snatched as fast as you can, and that's really going to help you guys out with timing in the long run. So yeah guys, when it comes to mega volume, just keep going, keep trying, don't give up, keep practicing. You guys got it. If you guys have any questions, you guys can always come to us on Facebook. We are in the Lash Tea. There are tons of different outlets for you guys, so that way if you guys ever need help, we are there for you guys. I'm always on Facebook. Shauna is always on Facebook, so please reach out to us. We're more than happy to help you guys, or just put them in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope it brought you a ton of value. Question for you guys: how long does it take you guys to do your mega volumes? Put them in the comments below. Thank you guys. Bye.